What's up, guys? It's Justin here at Boost District. Got the new wheels for the ZR1 in. Ross ordered them a few weeks ago. Doesn't know they're here, so we're gonna go send Diego and Trent to the tire shop and get them mounted and surprise them. Let's roll.
Surprised he left the keys to the ZR1 here.
He's not a smart guy, you know.
Hopefully he doesn't have a tracker, because I am taking the car.
What's that expression? Ask for forgiveness.
Yeah.
Not permission.
Got Trent over there.
Packing, doing orders.
Damn.
Some beads.
That's gonna look sick on the ZR1.
Yeah, I like them. All right. Well, let's not waste any time. Let's get y'all out of here before we get caught.
Yeah. Before he comes to the shop.
Yeah. Come on, Trent.
Load them on the truck.
Those are rears, and then I think we got fronts here. Where's the fronts? Right here.
Damn. I like the color.
I do too.
I feel like it's gonna look really good with the yellow.
I guess y'all about to find out.
Yes, sir. Let's load them up. What's this stuff?
Oh yeah, that is our top mount turbo kit that Trent is also going to be dropping off at the powder coater.
What? No, dog, the wire.
Boomers, bro.
Oh yeah.
I'm probably not
Oh,
gonna
dog,
do
I
that.
don't know all this new technology.
Boomer.
Check them out, bro. Bands.
Custom headers 1 of 1?
Something like that.
Sheesh.
Sheesh.
It's a really nice tank.
I think we need some like flames in it.
What? Just unloaded all of it.
This is the first time I see Justin working in general.
We're trying to sleep and taking a nap.
I went up to him with the camera because we were going to start recording. He was doing nothing but holding a rag.
I know, bro. I was washing my hands.
Now the camera rolling.
Hey, man.
And
Look,
he wants to do something.
if you look busy, you are busy.
With that rag, Justin.
My hands are like super clean now, fam.
But stand the Mickey's up. Stand that Mickey up. Yeah, bro.
Right here.
Put it the other way.
Oh, I thought you wanted to close the...
Why don't you stand the boxes up too?
We will with the open one. I mean with the.
Well, here, hey, just throw those 2 boxes in the truck.
That's fine.
Then we can shut it. You're ruining the shot, T. Sorry. God.
What's up, guys? Just got here to King Wheels and Tires. They always help us out with getting some wheels for our cars. Obviously got the ZR1 here, so then we can get it mounted up there. So yeah, enjoy these cinematics while we get this all done, and we'll take a look whenever it's done. We're gonna take this wheel to go see how it looks on the car. Gonna just post it up right next to it. Make sure nobody walking through here. Got this pretty old thing.
I think it's gonna look really good. Big old meats. Damn.
That will fit.
Bro, it's tall.
Yeah.
Like, size comparison to that?
That boy thick. With 3 C's. We got Ross calling here. He doesn't know we have the car. Hello? What's up? My job?
Working?
Yeah.
I see in the camera that you have the ZR1 not here. What's going on?
I don't have the ZR1. I drove the truck.
Okay, well, where's the ZR1 at? Because it ain't here.
Should be at the shop.
I'll say yeah.
That's so weird, you know, because I see a trend only on the camera.
You're cutting up.
Yeah, what were you saying?
You know what I said?
I got a customer calling. I'll call you back.
Stop it.
There goes that.
Why do we gotta have cameras? He don't know where we are though.
You
Hopefully.
think there's a tracker on the car?
Dude, I hope not. I wouldn't be surprised though. So yeah, I guess we'll have to figure this out.
We'll see what's next.
Yep.
Damn! Alright, it fits.
They fit. We thought they weren't gonna fit
That's tall.
because the tire is pretty tall compared to the other
Oh
ones.
yeah, I wanted to do something different on this one.
And they look so good.
I like it.
We were kind of skeptical about the color a little bit.
I think we need to lower it.
It needs to be lowered, yes.
I forgive you. I forgive you. Good work. This is nice.
Took it out. We saw the wheels and tires laying here, so we're like, you know what? Raj's not in the shop, so we're gonna kidnap the car.
Thanks for a good video. We stole
Car
my
nap
for a
the
couple
car.
hours. Yeah. Yeah, fitment is good. Koa did a good job. Let me see. It's tight. Can't really see much from under there. I like it. Let me look from far back. Yeah, it needs to be lowered. But
It looks a little lifted right now. But other than that, the car looks really good.
I like it. What do you think?
I really like it. It changed it.
Well, we have our drag setup that kind of can be more street-ish. Car makes a lot of power.
It drives way different.
Let's drive.
Compared to how whenever we took
I
it
didn't
from
like
here
how
in the
it
morning, it felt like it was all over the place.
Correct.
But now with this one, it feels more,
Comfortable?
yes.
Yeah, I didn't
Definitely a better drive.
Yeah, so the front on these wheels I spec skinnier so we can put a little taller tire and have more rigidity. Since obviously there's a drag pack, we're trying to put more in a spot that it can go straight faster and less weight, and a taller tire in the back so it doesn't freak out the ABS system on the car. We wanted to keep all the stock brake system on the car, so that was the option that we had, either that or change the brakes like we did on our E-Ray, which I didn't want to do. I wanted to keep this ZR1 heritage, and I like it. I wasn't sold on the color, but
On the car, they look really good.
wow, let's see the clearance on the brakes. I don't know if you can get any tighter than that.
It's pretty tight. But hey, they're clear.
What do you think, Trent?
I like them. I like them a lot better than I thought I was going to. Really worried that was not going to fit.
Yeah, the whole time we were at the tire shop, he was...
Keying it?
No. I have to keep...
Let's go test it.
Let's go.
Let's go test it. That hurts.
Just put this down here. Wait, is the seat...
We just took this for date night a couple of days ago.
I heard.
First time she rode in it.
Did you like it?
Yeah, she likes it. No keys in here. My daughter loves it.
Heard it's her favorite car.
That's what she said, yes. But I think she says that on every single car. Daddy, that's my favorite car. But this one, she said it really loud.
She likes the yellow.
Yes, she loves the banana car. That's what she calls it.
The banana car?
That's what she calls
It's a
it.
really expensive banana.
The world's fastest banana. All right, let's see. I gotta figure this out.
It's not letting you move.
Give me a second. Release, brake the launch. Okay.
Feels really good.
Doesn't feel fast. Something's missing here. Let's try auto. There it is.
That felt fast.
Yeah. Have to toggle these things, real like a lot of buttons. I wish they just kept it simple. Like the 2020 to 2024, so 25s, simple. This one is just so many, like I guess same
Electronics.
thing. Yeah. Let's see. Let's leave it as is. Let's try to get a video here. Gotta cool it down a little bit. Feels good.
It does.
Now it doesn't spin. I'm so happy.
I really like how it feels with these new tires.
So good. Feel at home.
Right?
Yeah, I like the way this spec is set up. Let's see. Does it still feel rigidy? Oh yeah, it's so much better.
So much better.
So much better. It doesn't feel like it has a broken diff. I like it.
I'm always scared to move these cars, especially on cold tires,
Yeah.
because they start moving like it's broken.
Uh-huh.
So I've been in the car
Mhm.
ever since when you hit the 500-mile mark on it,
Yeah.
but I've never been in it ever since.
Yeah.
You can definitely tell it's broken in now.
Correct. I mean, it definitely drives much better. I like the tires a lot. Very happy with it, and happy that it's making a lot of boost finally.
Yes.
So now it's time to turn it up and add some power.
To get to the 8s.
Yes. We got some competition, but it's good. Competition is good,
Just makes us want to go faster.
of course. All right, while we're in this video, I kind of want to give you guys a quick update on our dyno room. We wanted to film like a full segment of the construction videos on the dyno room specifically, but I don't really know if you guys want to see that. So I'm just going to give you guys a quick update on it because it's my dreams are coming true. Let's go, Diego. Watch behind you. The bar area is pretty much done upstairs. We're putting out the LED sign for the boost district up there. You haven't seen this.
I haven't.
No, the walls are fully painted. Adam's guys have the cedar. I think that's cedar, right?
I think so.
Yeah, that's cedar fully done up and stained. And we actually have stairs that don't hit my head. Muy bonito.
This is the first time I come up here too.
Yeah, this is coming along real well. Let's show the vision. There's gonna be cabling over here, so people don't fall, and you can either have bar stool or just watch your car. You know, get your car built by Boost District, come out here and get it dynoed, and you can watch your car be dynoed. We got a ZR1 right here for an example, and we'll have the Boost District sign in there. They're mounting the TV for the dyno. And then we have the exact same TV mirrored on this side behind you for the exact same screen, and then we have a dyno graph right here. I think no, that's the dyno graph, and then there's gonna be the live stream of the back camera, so it's all gonna be all put together. The guys from Tetra are doing a really good job. Shout out to these guys. Thank you for putting this all together, and Ryan, of course, and then Adam for all the construction side here. So put my vision into reality. So pretty cool, real cool. This light will be fixed up. We're working on it, getting a little bit money at a little time as we go, and we just keep a little putting here as much as we can. But what a journey. We moved in here what?
Big like
3 months ago, 2.5 months ago.
Mm-hmm.
Next thing to do is the floors. That's next when we get more money. That's gonna be an expensive project. If anybody does flooring, let us know. Epoxy flooring. I like the colors of these walls.
Yeah, the color turned out pretty good.
It's called Dark Secret. That's the name of the color. Beautiful.
Floors and lighting.
Yeah, we'll get there. A little bit at a time. Look at that. It's so cool. That's it, if you ask me.
Seeing the car there, yes.
Like, you got a full vision. Maybe you have a little bit of a bar, something to drink, iced tea. And then we go out here, watch your car, hang out, have a couple couches, have a family event maybe, bring your kids.
I think I'm gonna be editing in here.
Yeah. Maybe you can put a podcast up here too. So sick. I like it. Anyways, just a quick update. Alright guys, I'm sure you enjoyed today's video. It's very different. The guy stole my car, but it's okay. I forgive them. It looks pretty badass. Next time you see this car though, we're gonna be attempting to be the fastest C8 ZR1 to ever do it. That car has the capabilities to do it. We have the experience to do it. We got the knowledge, so I'm ready for it. And then more updates on the fastest E-Ray and the C8 Corvette soon. And lots of cars going home. So we appreciate your support. We'll see you guys in the next one. Stay boosted. See ya.